So how's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Now, just like last week, this is just going to be the video where I share all of my trades from the previous week. And what's interesting about this week is that I really did not take very many trades on my Apex account because the futures overall were really quite choppy this week, especially ES, which is the main one that I trade. But I did notice that a lot of tech stocks like NVDA, AMD, and Tesla had some good opportunities on them. So I actually traded options this week on my Webull account. If you did not know, I have a small like $400, $500 Webull account because sometimes I like to take trades on individual names, and that is exactly what I did this week. So most of my trades from this week were on options. And yes, I am still trading the Apex evaluation. I restarted on Monday, but I haven't really gotten anywhere because I only took like 2 trades on ES, and I think they were both small losers. But I'm still very focused on trying to pass that as well. So with that being said, enjoy the live trading. I'm in an Apple call off this support level right here. Nasdaq's starting to push back up. We'll see if we can get a break through the high of day here. I'm getting out of this. I don't like that. I just don't like that the futures are sort of rejecting supply. This might go higher, but
order filled.
I'm in short here on the ES. I like this rejection of VWAP. And this is also, I believe it's like the Fibonacci kill zone, whatever you want to call it.
Order filled.
Yeah, no, that did not work. I'm gonna short on Tesla here. I like that the 5 minute looks pretty bearish. It's kind of like a flag. It's forming a flag pattern underneath this key level. It's simply, this level is prior day low. Tesla's a fast mover, so we'll see how this goes. But like looking at the 1 hour, it just seems like this has so much more room to the downside. The futures definitely do not have relative strength right now. We'll see if Tesla rejects the VWAP here. Plus it just retested that level. Alright, finally starting to get some downside pressure on Tesla. We'll see if we can get through low day here. The futures are starting to come down a little more. It's going to move through 262. I don't want to get too greedy. Nice. Now things are really starting to sell off. And I'm going to take that off there. It's a nice trade. Nice little scalp. I'm short on NVDA right now, so there's I'm just sensing a lot of weakness here. We'll see if we get this downside move or not. I mean, the futures are weak right now. If AMD fails this level, it would also help. Starting to come down a little bit. This line is the pre-market low. I want to see if we can get down below that. The Nasdaq looks like it's about to make a new low a day. I'm gonna break this level here, that would be sweet. Yeah, AMD is dropping hard right here. Okay, we're right at the lows here. The NVDA just made a new low today. Can this just drop here? That'd be awesome. I would love to get out of this right at 450. I don't know if that's going to happen. I also do have to get going to work here. I might take this off now. Alright, we'll take that off right there. Yeah, Google looks weak here. I'm just gonna go short. If you look at the higher time frame, we're clearly below this resistance. Well, now it's turned into resistance. Came very close again, stopped out there. It looks like we're getting some downside now. The futures are also looking kind of weak. Yeah, ES looks like it's about to make a new low. I'm just going to trail my stop pretty hard here. I'm not super fond of this price action. Yeah, we'll probably get stopped out here. It's just being a little slow. Sweet, gonna make a new low here. Alright, out for break even. Alright, I'm gonna test the call here just because this is such a big level that it reclaimed. I'm entering a short position on NVDA here. I'm not trading zeros even though it's Friday. I really want to see the NVDA fail to hold the 15.5. Okay, we're getting some nice downside movement here. Yeah, on the 4 hour, this looks incredibly bearish. That's a really nice candle. Oh. NVDA is dropping hard right now. I'm going to adjust my stop loss. I'd like to see if we can get down to at least the pre-market lows. Alright, I'm taking profit. That was a nice move. I'll take that any day. Now I'll probably look back in an hour and see that these contracts are up another 100%.
Filled.
I'm gonna go short on ES here. Things just look weak. The NVDA's pretty weak right now. Oh.
Order submitted.
Unless that was just a big fake out. But the NVDA just looks weak. The SPY is also right at 450. Yeah, we might get stopped out here, but that's okay.
Order filled.
Alright, stopped out for a small loss. So there you have it. Once again, those were all my trades from this past week. I hope you enjoyed these videos where I just combine them all together into one longer video. Because for now, with my work schedule, this is just what works best for me, is when I make one video towards the end of the week. And if you have any advice for me as a trader, if there's anything you think that I could be doing better, please let me know in the comments below and I would love to read it and reply to you. But yeah, that's it for this week. I'm already very excited to see what next week brings in the markets. So we will see how we do. So thanks for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one.